Ah, kí ló wá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lágbolé justice for Mohbad báyìí? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lágbolé justice báyìí torí Ọlọ́run? Kí ló wá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin àwọn tí wọ́n ń wá justice fún Mohbad? Tí gbogbo wọn kàn ń ṣépè fúnra wọn, tí gbogbo wọn kàn ń bára wọn jà. Ẹ gbọ́ ná, nígbà tí àwọn anti-justice tí wọn ò bára wọn jà mọ́, ṣó wá yẹ kó jẹ́ pé àwa tá ń wá justice la tún máa bára wa jà? Ṣó wá yẹ kó jẹ́ pé àwa tá ń wá justice la tún máa ṣépè fúnra wa? First note tí mo fẹ́ mú wá fún yín, ẹ máa gbọ́ bí arákùnrin bó ṣe yàkàyàkà Mr. Yomi Fabiyi. Ó yàkàyàkà olórí ẹbí in the name pé òun gbèjà bàbá Mohbad ni o. Tẹ́ ẹ bá wo gbogbo sọ́márì gbogbo ìjà tí arákùnrin yìí jà, gbogbo èpè tó ṣẹ́, gbogbo yẹ̀yẹ́ tó fi olórí ẹbí àti Mr. Yomi Fabiyi, gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe fún wọn látàrí wípé ó ń support bàbá Mohbad ni o. Me are looking at it. Kò sí nǹkan míì. Ó ń claim pé òun ń support bàbá Mohbad. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ṣé tá a bá tiẹ̀ fẹ́ pera wa sí àkíyèsí kọ̀ọ̀kan, àbí tá a bá ṣe mistake lórí ìrìn àjò justice tá a wà yìí, ṣé bó ṣe yẹ ká máa túra wa síta bí ọmọ ọjọ́ mẹ́jọ ni? Ṣé bó ṣe yẹ ká máa kóra wa síta bí ọmọ ọjọ́ mẹ́jọ leléyìí? Àbí ṣé pẹ̀lú bá a ṣe sọ pé a dàgbà tó yìí, tá a bá tiẹ̀ rí èèyàn kan nínú justice for Mohbad tó ń ṣe nǹkan tó kù díẹ̀ káàtó, ṣé a ò lè pé èmi kan ẹ̀yin kan, uncle, brother, daddy, nǹkan tẹ̀ ń ṣe yẹn kò ní jẹ́ ká rí justice, ẹ̀ ní jẹ́ ká ṣe báyìí, ẹ̀ ní jẹ́ ká ṣe báyìí, àbí kí ni nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ rò sí? Ká dẹ̀jọ forí korí, ká jọ fikùn lukùn, ká wá fìmọ̀ ṣe ẹyọ kan. Ìyẹn la máa tètè débi tá ń lọ. But nígbà tẹ́lẹ̀ yìí bá ń lé ẹmọ́, tẹ́lẹ̀ yìí ń lé àfè, tẹ́lẹ̀ yìí ń lé wújù, ìgbà wo la fẹ́ gẹ̀ẹ́tì ibi tá ń lọ? Ìgbà wo la fẹ́ débi tá ń lọ? In fact, nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lágbolé justice kò ayé mi mọ́. Ọlọ́run tí n bá sọ pé ó yé mi, irọ́ ni mo pa. Bàbá Mohbad tí gbogbo adẹ̀ sọ wípé à ń jà fún ọmọ wọn, wọ́n dẹ̀ rí gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí, wọn ò dẹ̀ sọ nǹkan kan sí, wọn ò dẹ̀ make a move. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí n sọ̀rọ̀ jù, gbogbo ibi tó wò mí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí. Kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ bá mi subscribe Sele Global TV fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe. Ẹ wá gbọ́ bí arákùnrin bó ṣe yàkàyàkà àwọn ẹni tí mò ń sọ yìí.
Our attention away from Baba Liam that keep protecting women and say Talibanjo. These are the people that we see on social media today. Talking about their relevancy, talking about things that will not bring justice, trying to play down and degrade and destroy the personality of Baba Loba, lying profusely, saying all sorts of things against him because they know he's the one standing between Wunmi, the killer of Mobad, getting away with justice. They know that man is the one standing between Liam's paternity, the DNA of Liam, confirming the fact that Liam is a bastard. They know he's the one standing to make sure that Mobad does not bring a bastard into the family of Aloba. They know he's the one standing for making sure that this guy, Aloba, puts the truth, speaks absolute truth about what happened in that night around 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. when they got home after Ikorodu show. They know that man is the one that is challenging the Lagos state government. They know that man is the one that is challenging the DPP. They know that man is the one that is challenging the Chief Justice of Lagos State. That he will not allow them to mess up justice of Mobad. And that is why you will see them gathering in 1,000. You will see them gathering in 100. You will see them gathering to say all sorts of evil against that man. And Brother Joseph Aloba needs our fervent prayers at this point. Don't forget, Yomi went diabolical against that man. Karima went fetish against that man. They conquered spiritual attack against him. They wanted him dead. You will ask me, what sin did Baba Mobad commit that Yomi Fabi and Karima wanted him dead? The only sin he has committed is standing to ensure justice is given to his son. The only sin he has committed is his refusal to sign a contract of silence like Mobad did. The only sin he has committed is his persistence and his insistence to ask the government of Lagos State that Mobad must be given justice. The only sin he has committed that makes Lagbole to write a petition against him was because he inferred and confirmed that Mobad was killed by a concubine and Liam is a bastard. The only sin that man has committed is to challenge the authority that Mobad will not be buried until justice is served. The only sin he has committed is to seek legal advice and seek legal prosecution of Wumisi Tadebanjo and all the 15 that were in that house when they killed Mobad like a dog, like an animal. That is the only sin that Baba Mobad has committed. When you ask them today, when they gather together and talk shit about that man, what sin has he committed? They have nothing to say apart from the fact that they contributed money. He has not come to do accountability. Can you ask them, these useless platform holders, Lati, Ologeru, Omale, he said he himself was not accepted by his father. When Omale ni Lati, no, Omale ni Lati. And that is why I'm not surprised. Then the government by the Lati said, "Go see the doctor for the DNA." You pay to go good was in for DNA. Mother Pong don't fire up on Mali low. Lati fire up on Mali according to what we heard. But yeah, no, people be say, only a Lati say, don't be Mali ni Lati there. Also, go see the doctor for the DNA. I'm not surprised. I am not surprised. These are the people that pay on some of that. I will not be surprised. Thank you, Clarita Boys Mom. I will not be surprised when Bosswat, they said a guy had an accident so many months ago and he sustained an injury on his head. So when you see Bosswat talking shit, you guys should not be despaired. Don't be despaired at all. Somebody with an head injury, there will always be a relapse. Head injury is a very complicated injury. So many things are involved. So when Boss Rat is having a relapse, don't be surprised about his utterances. Boss Rat has said so many things, justice for Mobad. He went to Aries' platform that day, and Aries caused the hell out of him because Aries knows Boss Rat very well. That Boss Rat is a man that does not have brain. His brain is now touchy. He cannot process information very well. Boss man talks out of mirage. Boss Rat talks more out of imagination than out of reality. When you see Lati and Boss Rat gathering with other knobs and dumbs on their platform and have no topic to say except that man, you should know the mission is simple. The mission they have given to Lati, the mission they have given to Boss Rat, the mission they have given to Sammy Jojo, that one that looks like a skeleton, that guy needs to go and do HIV assay. The one they call Sammy Jojo. He's looking more like an HIV patient. The day I saw his picture, I marveled. I shook my head 3 times. That is this guy really living or is dead? Because he's looking like somebody that is suffering from end-stage AIDS. Stage acquire immunodeficiency syndrome.
Acquire immuno.
Sammy Jojo is not looking healthy. Sammy Jojo himself needs help. Sammy Jojo needs help. He needs to seek medical advice. Some of these people you see on social media talking, they are battling serious chronic medical conditions. Those medical conditions affect their brains, the medical conditions affect their lungs, the medical conditions affect their liver, the medical conditions affect their sense of humanity and sense of reasoning, and they cannot think the way a sensible individual thinks. So when you see them talk, you need to take their speech with a pinch of salt. These are the servants of the palace. These are the real anti-justice. Their numbers do not matter. Their names are useless. But you should know what they stand for in justice for Mobad as of today. Because I need to ask a sensible question. If you bring Babaloba down, what do you have to offer the cause of justice after that? If you bring him down, if you tell him to go home and he goes home, what do you do next? I heard today when Lati was saying they should go and bury Mobad, that the reason why Baba did not want to bury Mobad is because he wants to continue to make Mobad to make money. Lati, it shall not be well with you.
Lode.
That is how you are going to bury your own child too.
Do you
hear what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah, be me.
The way they killed Mobad, and Baba is now using it to make money. He's now using it to make money and refuse to bury him. When your child dies, Lati, I pray you will continue to use the dead body of your child too to make money, and you don't want to bury him. Lati, you know child's death is a glory that you seek. Child death is the glory that Baba Mobad seek, right? According to you. From the way you are talking on your platform, you are speaking like Baba prayed to God. Or Baba told me to kill his son because he needed the death of his son to make money. And that is why I said to you, Lati, now that Baba, according to you, has killed his son, right? And he's using it to make money. I pray for you, Lati. You shall end up killing your own son too. And you can make money. I know you value money than the life of your children. I know you value money than the life of your wife. I know money is important than the life of anybody to you. Because you have no sense to know that a loss of life cannot be regained. You don't have sense to know that they cannot clone a dead man anymore. You are saying somebody used the death of his son and is using it to make money, Lati, and it is on your platform that you have collected millions. I was on the window of one of the platforms when they said it was this same Sammy Jojo that said Yomi has collected 40 million naira so far in justice for Mobad. Lati, ancestors as you are, you heard it, but you will not say anything. Because you know, out of the 40 million naira donated to Yomi, you also collected about 10 million naira out of it. So you cannot be asking for accountability of Yomi, because by doing so, you'll be asking for accountability of the money that was given to you too by Yomi. Lati, I say unto you, and all those useless ones on that platform that are saying evil things against that man, when Baba Mobad is passing through that journey of conveniency, that journey of comfortability that you say Baba Mobad is going through now, that all of you have become envious of him, that all of you are willing to go that path, all of you want to share his glory with him, the glory of losing his son. You guys are eager, you want to share his glory, you are envious of him. I pray unto you, all of you shall experience the same thing. You want it, you want that life, and you want Baba Mobad is now singing. Baba Mobad is now walking. Baba Mobad has good hairstyle. He has good haircut. Baba Mobad this, Baba Mobad that. You guys are envious of him. You guys want to have everything he has got now, but you don't want to have a dead son at home. You don't want to have a dead child. Baba Mobad's son was killed. Now you want all the glory, but you don't want to pay the sacrifice. I say unto you, all of you that are on this platform, especially those of you on the comment section, that you have been commenting horribly about that man, calling him all sort of name, saying is this, is that. What Baba Mobad is passing through, the way he lost Mobad, all of you shall pass through the same face, except there's no God again. You want it, you like it, and it's always easy. Ó ti gbowó ni, ó fòkó ọmọ ìgbowó ni, ẹ̀yin náà pàlàtà ẹ máa fi òkú ọmọ yín gbowó, wàláì ẹ máa fi òkú ọmọ yín pàlàtà ẹ máa fi gba owó. Lórí justice for Mohbad yìí, wọ́n máa ṣe justice for ọmọ yín náà, tó pé wọ́n máa pa àwọn ọmọ yín ẹ máa fi òkú ọmọ yẹn máa fi gba owó. Ṣé ẹ lọ pé lórí burúkú ni yín ni?
Ṣé ń gbọ́?
Ayé yìí ti bàjẹ́.
Ṣé justice náà là ẹ̀ wá báyìí?
Ayé yìí ó ti bàjẹ́. Ẹ kóra yín jọ. Ẹ sọ pé wọ́n pa ọmọ ọlọ́mọ mọ́ ẹni ẹlẹ́ni lójú. Ẹ̀yin sọ pé ó fi òkú ẹ̀ gbowó ni. Ó ti wá jẹ pọ́ǹkì. Ó ti ń dán. Ẹ̀yin náà wọ́n máa kú mọ́ yín lójú náà. Tọ́wọ́n bá ti kú mọ́ yín lójú, ẹ̀yin náà máa dán sí i. Ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú dédé. Ayé yìí ti bàjẹ́, ayé yìí ti ta. Ayé yìí ó ti ta. Ó ti ta. Ó ti ta pọ̀ bí àgbàdo. Yomi took his 3-year-old boy. Ó ní wọ́n fẹ́ pa. Ó sá lọ sí abroad. Wọ́n dẹ̀ pa ọmọ 26 years old mọ́ bàbá kan lórí. Ẹ̀yin sọ wípé ó yẹ kó ti lọ sin ọmọ. Ẹ̀yin sọ pé ó ń gbé obìnrin káàkiri. Ó ti lọ́mọ 3 síta. Ó ti kọ́lé. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, wọ́n máa pa ọmọ yín lórí náà. Ẹ̀yin náà, ẹ dẹ̀ máa fi owó tó máa dá fún yín, ẹ máa fẹ́ fi gbóbìnrin, ẹ máa fi gbé ọkùnrin, ẹ máa fi jayé. Gẹ́gẹ́ Baba Mohbad ṣe ń ṣe. Ṣé ètò ti jẹ́ pé irú ayé tó wù yín nìyẹn? Tẹ̀bí ń ṣe lára máa yẹn. Ayé ẹ̀ wù yín. Ìgbádùn tó ń gbá yẹn wù yín. Yóò ga.
Ẹ wo gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí. Kí n máa parọ́ fún yín, ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó ti pọ̀ jù ní ti tèmi. Ṣé justice náà làdẹ̀ ń wá báyìí ń sìn? Ṣé justice là ń wá báyìí? Àmúdẹ máa ń sọ kinní kan, mo máa ń sọ kinní kan ní gbogbo ìgbà. Pé tá a bá ń bára wa jà, ẹ má máa jẹ́ ká máa fi ti àwọn ọmọ wa sí i. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ bá ń follow me time to time, ẹ rí wípé tó bá ti ń di issue olórí wípé wọ́n ń jà, wọ́n ń fọmọ ara wọn, ẹ wo gbà tí tó yà yín máa kù. Mo yẹ tako ẹni tó ń gbé ọmọ ẹ̀ ṣépè. Ẹ wo gbà tí Lisa Anjorin náà pẹ̀lú ọmọ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Mo yẹ sọ the same thing. Tá a bá ń bára wa jà, èmi àti yín lè jọ máa jà, ẹ̀yin àtèmi ẹ lè máa bínú sí mi, but ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa include àwọn ọmọ wa. Àwọn ọmọ yẹn ọ wálé ayé tiwọn jẹ́jẹ́ wọn ni. Wọn ò mọ̀ gbà tèmi àti yín jọ ní issue wọn, wọn ò mọ̀ gbà tá a jọ ní kwanta, wọn ò mọ̀ gbà tá a jọ ń fa sùúrùtù. Ẹ yé máa jẹ́ ká máa include àwọn ọmọ wa. Ẹ gbọ́ bí máa yìí lórí wípé ó ń gbèjà bàbá Mohbad ni o. Ó ń gbèjà bàbá Mohbad ni o. Ẹ wá dúró ọ̀tá tóun náà ti ń níbẹ̀ yẹn sìn. Ṣé kò sí another way tá a lè fi bára wa sọ̀rọ̀ than tó ṣépè, tó fọmọ wa ṣépè, tó fọmọ wa gégùn? So make sense ṣá. Kí ló dé tó yẹ pé àwa Yorùbá yìí náà ni? Àwa Yorùbá yìí náà ni kí ló dé? Àwa lánàá, àwa lè ní bí ẹkún àpọ̀kọ̀jẹ. Okay, nígbà táwa tá a sọ pé àwọn wá justice tá a ti wá ń ṣe báyìí. Okay, àwọn tó wá àwọn anti justice wá ń kọ́ ṣe pé àti reduce energy wọn, àti reduce stress wọn ò tiẹ̀ stress mọ́, wọ́n kàn fọwọ́ lẹ́rán báyìí, wọ́n kàn wò wá ní pé yá ẹ máa jà lọ, ó yẹ ẹ máa jà lọ. Níjẹ́ wo la fẹ́ ṣe ògbélé ìgbà? Níjẹ́ wo la tó fẹ́ jáwọ́ kó nu gbogbo eléyìí lórí pé àwa justice adẹ̀ ń bára wa jà? Wàláì tá a bá wo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí dáadáa, eléyìí tí wàá kó nu pé àwọn wá justice. Ó dàbẹ̀ ni pé ìjà personal là ń bára wa jà ń ṣe. Eléyìí ò ṣe kí bóyá à ń jà torí justice mọ́. àbí tó bá yẹ pé torí justice là ń jà aláwọn wá justice fún ẹni tó pa Mohbad ṣé bó yẹ ká finúkunú ká fikùnlukùn ká dẹ̀ fi mọ̀ ṣọ̀kan kí gbogbo wa dẹ̀ reach in one agreement pé báyìí la fẹ́ face gẹ́gẹ́ mo sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan ẹnìkan lẹ́mọ́ ẹnìkan láfẹ̀ ìgbà wo la tó wá fẹ́ débi tá a lọ ẹ fẹ́ correct èèyàn ẹ fẹ́ sọ pé nǹkan téèyàn ń ṣe ò dáa ṣé bọ́n ṣe ń correct lélẹ̀ ẹ wò ìpè tó ń ṣe tẹ́ bá máa bèrè lọ́wọ́ olórí ẹbí sìn ó lè jẹ́ pọ́tọ̀ níbi ẹni yẹn ṣe gbé ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn sílẹ̀ o Yomi tán ló kówó jẹ ó ṣe gbá kan ó ṣàwò sí tán máa kí náà máa sọ̀rọ̀ sí ó lè jẹ́ pọ́tọ̀ ní bọ́rọ̀ ṣe jẹ́ o ẹ wá tún mú ọ̀rọ̀ personal life oníkálukú wọn sọ pé olórí ẹbí ọmọ àlè ní bí yẹ ṣe kíní kan ibo ló ti gbọ́tọ̀ yẹn ta ló sọ ìtàn yẹn fún ẹ ibi táwa Yorùbá gbé burú sí náà nìyẹn tá a bá rí nǹkan ẹyọ kan a máa fi 20 kún báwọn kan ṣe ti ń pariwo káàkiri ní ìjẹta nìyẹn pé ráìsì ń pààyàn o ráìsì ń pààyàn o ráìsì ń pààyàn o tí ráìsì ò dẹ̀ pààyàn tó yẹ pé bó ṣe rí kọ́ ni wọ́n ṣe ń sọ kí ló dé tí a ò máa wádìí ohun gbogbo dájú ká máa di tó ń ṣe òtítọ́ mú ẹ̀yẹ́ máa wù mí lórí pílátífọ́ọ̀mù yìí ọ̀rọ̀ tí ń bá tí ì rí òkododo ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ mo máa ń fún ní 50-50 ni tó bá tiẹ̀ máa bú mi àmọ́ rẹ̀ tó máa jókòó sẹ́gbẹ́ tó pé àná ẹni yóò sọ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni nà ó ti fi allegedly sí ó ní 50-50 ó lè jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ó lè má jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ why táwa náà ò ṣe máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tá a bá gbọ́ nǹkan ókè o àti ìrídìí òkododo ọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan yẹn o ẹ jẹ́ ká fún ní 50-50 tó bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n ti sọ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ náà níṣà o tí ó bá dé wàá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ àdúpẹ́ tí ò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o èwo ni ká máa wá ṣe ìpè ká máa wá fọmọ ara wa ẹ wò gbogbo ibi tó ń wò mí mo tún gbàládùra fún gbogbo wa ẹni tẹ́ ẹ máa bá dòwò pọ̀ tó máa fi tiẹ̀ kó bá titi yín ọba mi Èdùmàrè ò ní jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ níbi pé ẹ tẹ́ máa bá dòwò pọ̀ ẹni títí ẹ ti bàjẹ́ tó máa bá ti yín jẹ́ ọba mi Èdùmàrè ò ní jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ pàdé ẹ̀ torí àdúrà téèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ máa ṣe fún àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn nìyẹn torí àwọn kan wà tó yẹ pé títí wọ́n ti bàjẹ́ ó ti rún gégé wọ́n wá ń wẹ́ni kúnra gẹ́gẹ́ bí Yorùbá ṣe máa ń pòwe pé ajégbodò tó ń wẹ́ni kúnra àwọn kan wà bọ́lọ́hún ṣe dá wọn nìyẹn wọ́n ti dedicate ara wọn fún ìránṣẹ́ èṣù ẹ lè bá wọn níbi tó gbé ti ń dà ibi kó bàjẹ́ kó fọ́ lójú kó dàrú kó fa àwọn wájú pọ̀ mọ́ tí papọ̀ kó mú iyọ̀ kó dà mọ́nu ṣúgà kẹ́ máa wá fẹ́ máa separate ẹ̀ àwọn kan ń tọ́ dedicate ara wọn fún nìyẹn ẹ wá arákùnrin kí la gbé kí la jù lórí ọmọ tí ó kì í ṣọmọ ẹ lórí ẹni tí ó kì í ṣe bí ẹ ìwọ náà sọ pé òun jà fún justice ni me are looking at it now òun náà ń jà fún justice ni gbogbo àwọn tó ń bú tó ń ṣépè fún ọmọ wọn yìí náà àwọn náà ń jà fún justice ni ṣé bó ṣe yẹ ká máa ṣépè fún ara wa nìyẹn ṣé bó ṣe yẹ ká máa takò ara wa nìyẹn adẹ̀lá ń wá justice àti wá ti personal issue bọ̀ personal interest títí ẹ ti wá gbé wọnú ẹ tí Yomi Fabiyi bá ti ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń gbà kan rí o ò dẹ̀ dí pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ personally tó lórí ẹbí bá ti bẹ́ẹ̀ jàrí ńgbà kan o ò dẹ̀ dí pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ personally wáyé tó wá ṣe ń sá sí under justice from bad tó wá fi ń ṣe gbogbo eléyìí lójú ti tèmi ó ti kúrò ní justice ó ti di personal interest personal issue because kí ló dé kí la gbé kí la jù tó ń bá sọ pé bàbá Mohbad ó ń fòkú ọmọ ẹ̀ gba owó ṣé the next thing wà ní pé kí wọ́n máa wá ṣe ìpè fún wọn pé ọmọ tiwọn náà máa kú ẹjọ́ kí la fẹ́ gbà nínú ẹ̀ there's many way we can kill a rat there's many way ta lè gbé ọ̀rọ̀ báyìí gbà ó lè pé láago pé olórí ẹbí no nǹkan tẹ́ sọ yẹn ó kù díẹ̀ káàtó èmi ò fara mọ́ báwo lẹ ṣe máa sọ pé bàbá Mohbad ó ń fòkú ọmọ ẹ̀ gbowó ni no kò yẹ kẹ́ ẹ sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹni yẹn á dẹ̀ tún sọ rísì tó òun ṣe sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ bóyá rísì yẹn jẹ́ níw bóyá kò jẹ́ níw ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀jọ sọ́lá ara pé no ẹgẹ́ ti ẹ̀ wrong kò dẹ̀ rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn o gbogbo nǹkan tẹ̀ ń rò yẹn ọ̀rọ̀ dẹ̀ rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o mo súnmọ́ bàbá yìí gan o báyìí ló yẹ ṣẹlẹ̀ o báyìí ló yẹ ṣẹlẹ̀ o bàbá yìí náà ń jà fìtàfìtà o ó ń gbìyànjú lábẹ́lẹ̀ o ó ń ṣe kinní kan o ó ti gbígbèsè báyìí o ó ti ṣe báyìí ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀jọ sọ níbi tìbínúbì dànjú pé àwa tá a sọ pé àwa justice àwa náà làwa ń bára wa jà òun ni mo ṣe ń béèrè pé kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lágbolé justice báyìí àwọn anti justice àti ẹ̀wà fún wọn níṣẹ́ ṣe mọ́ wọ́n ti relax báyìí sí wọ́n kàn fọwọ́ lẹ́rán báyìí ni wọ́n dẹ̀ ń wẹ̀ pé yá ẹ máa bára yín jà lọ fúnra ara yín lẹ́rù máa fúnra yín lóògùn jẹ ẹ wò ẹ ló lè fẹ́ mi a ò ní rí jù báyìí lọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ justice for Mohbad ẹ jọ̀ọ́ tí n bá tó rí information tí mo rí pé máa wúlò fún ẹ̀yin lólùfẹ́ mi ò ní hesitate láti wá mú fún yín ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí kẹ́lẹ́ bá mi subscribe sí Lagbole TV ire o.